Hey, that's beautiful, Angela. Oh, that's real pretty.
I know.
Oh, there's my beautiful brother, Steve. Oh no, that's Mario. Oh, I was wrong. It's not my beautiful brother. Oh, Steve's gotten uglier. What are you laughing at, Megan?
That's not nice.
I'll send that to Steve. See, the cool thing about this, I'll be able to edit it later.
So you
Barbs.
can tell me things you want.
Were you falling asleep, honey? Looked like it.
You want to see my face?
Oh, that's beautiful. What, Megan? What do you got going on there? What in the world is that, Megan?
What?
Wow! Whoa! It's moving everywhere. Hardly get that in the viewfinder. Mario, say something smart. Come on. Come on.
There's nothing smart to say.
Not to this family.
No, that's true. Alright, you two. You can't. No.
Oh, there's Grandpa in his pajamas.
I can't fight both of you. T, let go. He's gonna
Should
rip.
rip off the arm.
Oh.
They get it? Sugar got it.
But
Sugar
T
grabbed it.
almost
T just
bought
went
it.
with it.
Okay, turn it off.